Sino nga PLD amo ni butangan ko load. Databla pa, databla. Rin na. Away na sila.
We stopped the giant toys. Great job playing Monster Makeover machines. Little octopus. I think you're the perfect size now.
What do you think that is?
Wala. Ato pilde. Ari daog guys, ari daog. Maning daog.
Let's help Blaze find the key to open the treasure chest.
Tandaan nyo ni guys ha.
You're stronger than I thought.
But nobody's strong. Hang on, crew.
Para may load
It's
nyo.
time to sail this ship with blazing speed.
Hala. De nang nagdaog.
Get ready to click the blazing speed.
Ari ang may load do, bantayin nyo guys.
Time to put the key in and see what's inside. Are you ready to open the treasure chest? Click the key
Hala,
to
banat.
unlock it.
Kaya din guys. Kaya ano mo sa inyo? Puro mga isog. Hindi pa lang. Ari o may load nyo. Okay, sa kataraka sa may load guys. Bisin isog sa guys.
Alright, let's give Blaze a monster makeover. We'll start with a new paint job. Should we paint him purple and teal?
Ari yung nagdaog o. Itong nagdaog noon na. Itong pareha sila wala load. Ari ang napilde. Karon nga mo gibutangan ko load. Sa pirasahan ay lugi siya, pero kung sa padugay ay nga hampang lugi gid siya kay may load ni. Dumapatay oh. Nano.
Hey Blaze, have you seen Gabby?
Kaya na.
No.
Sayang.
I don't know where AJ
Damo ko na
went.
sayang damang naguba tungod sa patisting-tisting sang load.